Always Outdoors New Hampshire here with Outdoor Outlaw Jr. today. And it's an exciting day here for us because we are going to installing rock sliders and door panels today. Woo! Getting the rig ready to hit the trails.
Oh, nice.
Thank you for joining us. And Hunter is going to sneak off to his buddy's house to ride on the Kawasaki. So it's a good day. And we also have Daisy, right honey? So we'll see what the day brings. Of course, we've never done for the installation of the rock sliders and the door panel, so we'll see how it goes. All right, well, next time you see the rig, it'll be in the garage.
I know, but I'm used to doing that.
Unloading the rock sliders.
Yeah, put them together at home.
Yeah, we ordered these along with the door inserts.
Hey,
Yeah.
got your phone?
Yep.
Hey, just check it every now and then.
Okay.
Check on it.
So yeah. Oh, there he goes. Have some fun. Leaving us to work.
Look about right. Yep.
Yes,
Look at that.
that looks good.
Yep. So, with a few minor modifications, we'll let you know how it goes. So.
Yeah. We'll get ourselves set up and
Yep.
get at it. And just to let you know, the rock sliders, they come in 2 pieces for each side. And with no instructions. And Graham had to figure out how to do it.
Well,
So,
we're gonna figure out how to do it. I figured it out yet.
well, yeah, but I thought you still put those 2 things together.
Oh, yeah,
remember?
yeah, no,
That's what I'm talking
yeah.
about.
Yeah, that was pretty straightforward.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can tell. They only go one way, you know what I mean?
Oh, all right.
And then these connect the 2 pipes, and you put the bolts facing out so you can get at them. Other than that, everything's pretty straightforward on that part. So.
Good. So in that regard, don't be intimidated. Just go ahead and get your rock sliders to put on for yourself.
All right. So.
We're gonna
Yeah.
do our own project and take you along with us.
That's right.
And Daisy's gonna hang out here and watch us work.
Good girl. Gotta find a drill bit next. Oh boy.
All right, well, we started with this side, and where we weren't totally certain of what to expect, we went ahead and did it behind the scenes here, and we're just finishing up. We had a 7/16 drill bit that we had to use to drill the holes into the RZR, which Graham did.
Yeah, you gotta drill through the frame.
Yeah.
That way you can through bolt.
And it is a two-man job
Yes.
because I had to hold the opposite end.
Yep. So I'm just getting everything lined up before I tighten it. Everything down.
And we'll do like so for the other side. And hopefully it's that easy, because once we got the right drill bit, Graham made it like easy work.
No, it's not bad, especially for people that do this shit all the time. I don't do this stuff a lot, so I had to round up the right tools, that's all.
And we had our buddy Matt that he was nice enough to lend us full use of his garage, so that was nice.
Yep.
Made it easier.
You bet. No, it won't take a socket. I'll have to have an open-end wrench.
Well, it's official. Graham just gave it the good tug on.
Yeah, the good tug on.
It was sturdy, right?
Gave it the Colorado state test.
So we're ready to move on to side 2. Nice work, Graham.
Yeah.
You always get the project done.
This is the guide they give you. You use the factory bolt, unbolt it, put it right back on. Then that gives you a nice straight drill through the frame. So they do give you the guide. They don't give you the bit. So you got to have a metal bit to get through the tube frame. So you only drill the front one and the back one because the two middle ones have a stud that hold. So, and then you put the factory bolts back in. So between the stud and the bolts, they must figure it's good to go. So, and I bolted that other one, and it seems really rugged. So, for what you're doing with it, it should be more than fine. And you just snug that up, and that way everything all lines up. So after 4 holes, that one's a little tired, so I would say make sure you get a new bit. Here it goes.
Woohoo! Hello, Outdoor Outlaw Jr. How was your ride?
Ben blew his bike up, so we didn't really get the ride.
No way.
Ben blew
Yeah,
his
we
bike
got-
up?
So there's a trail in between his house and Little River Road.
Yeah.
Went to the end of where Little River Road is, and it blew up. He had to push it all the way back to like 6 inches of mud.
Oh
Should've
no.
called me.
I had no.
Time to install Rock slider number 2. And then I'll just slide in behind
I got
you.
distracted. Kid distracted me. The stories.
That's what they do.
2-stroke stories.
Yep. We love them. Well,
You
we
might
like
find
success stories.
But alright, bring it on in now. I'll hold this in. Alright. Let me get set up. Go ahead and set it down for a quick sec. You ready?
Yeah.
Well, you guys do a good job.
Thank
That's
you.
doing good.
Thank you.
Thanks, boss.
And we'll continue to do the work while you go play.
Well, I can help.
No, you're going from riding dirt bikes to pedal bikes. That's what I like. Good old fashioned fun.
Gotta get started in the threads. Alright, there we go. I can feel it. The difference
Feel it
now.
catching.
Yeah.
And last time, even though you told me I'm not supposed to let go, there's a lot of strength even in that back pull.
Alright, I'll trade you. Go hold that back up.
Love you. Love you. Love you.
This thing's contoured for a tube frame. So you gotta make sure you got that going the right way.
Maybe I have to go the one in the middle.
Let's go now. They don't always go real easy, so
No.
paint or something. The other ones went smoothly, but this one. And you pretty much got to use an open end wrench because there's no way to. They don't give you any room to do anything else. So. That other end. Snug that up.
You want me to stay? You want
No,
to
you're good.
move? Well, we almost got it.
Well, yeah, the washer that they gave me here for the tube on this one moved.
Oh no.
There we go.
Okay.
Alright, now we'll get the other hardware in here, the stock hardware. So yeah, it's awkward getting in here. Depends on what style you get, I guess. Gonna spin all the bolts out of this collar. This collar is what holds this on, and right here.
Is this the last part?
This, and then there's just, I gotta put a cap on the end. They give you a bolt and a cap just to cover that end.
All right.
And then yeah, that's the last part.
Well, it looks good and sturdy.
Oh, for sure. Yep.
And if we didn't put that on, then
Well, it's
we
just
would
a
be
chance you do damage
hitting the
to
body.
because the tube, the frame of the tube's right here. So it mainly, like, you know, trees, rocks. I mean, it'll
right.
help. You know,
All the stuff will bounce off of
Yeah,
that instead
right.
of
bouncing
body.
off this plastic
in the frame.
Because this plastic coating is like one piece. This here, so you mess that up, and
Yeah.
you get the whole shooting match. So.
Right, and the plastic, it doesn't
Yeah.
take much to break it. So really,
Well, this
and
would be
to be
good
hon-
for rocks too.
and I want to say for the record too, that for the price, I would recommend now this costs like $350 to
Right.
get
they're
one for
powder
each
coated.
side.
Right.
But really think about all the hundreds of dollars over time we're gonna save on
I would think so.
eliminating damage to the body
Yeah,
and frame.
And plus this, like we got the bigger ones with the back. There's more low profile ones.
Right,
and
and there's also less
so
expensive ones. I mean,
we'll let you know how they work.
yeah. Oh yeah, because we're gonna hit the trails.
Yep.
Not today though. Today's a garage day.
Next weekend.
Yep. And all through the spring. If we're lucky.
Yep.
Well, so we'll just wrap this side up and then the panels, right? The inserts, the door inserts
I hope so.
today.
We'll try to.
I'm more
Can't
excited.
work all day on Saturday.
I'm
So
more
they got these SuperATV.com. Put these caps right here on top. There we go. That one's gonna be
Nice.
just right. Yeah, come back here. I'll show you to put the caps on the end. Right here, just to cover the end, because they don't they'll leave that empty, and they give you that, and that's it.
nice.
Yep.
Razors.
So you need 2 people. You need 7/16 drill bit, couple wrenches, and make sure you get yourself a new bit, because I don't know if that was new or not, but after the 4th hole, it wasn't happy. So, but other than that, yeah, it's real simple, especially if you're used to doing stuff like this, you know.
And you have someone who's handy.
Yeah, especially for handy. If you're real handy, then this is a piece of cake. But if you don't do stuff like this, like me, then yeah, it takes you a couple minutes. But it's all good.
Yep.
Yeah,
And
we'll
now,
let you know how the next battle goes.
yep.
So get with you then.
Time for the door inserts. Hi, hon. Oh, she made it in the garage. She's gonna inspect. She's the official inspector. Did we do a nice job with the rock slider installation, Daisy?
You don't get it.
No, she doesn't. We're unpackaging all of the parts for the door inserts.
Was there a bag of hardware?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, there is
Whoa.
a bag of hardware.
There's a piece of paper in there too, so there is direction.
Oh, thankfully. Busy day, but we're getting it done. Well, good thing the days are longer. So heads up, we stripped the first bolt.
Yeah, not impressed.
One broken drill bit later. Anyway, so while I was hanging out with Daisy, trying to appease her, looks like Graham made progress and got the first panel on. Looks good. Here's the view from the inside, and here's the view from the outside. All right, officially the first panel's on, driver's side front, and we're moving on to the passenger side front. And panel number 2 is
Yeah, well,
on, and I'm not gonna say it was without difficulty.
yeah. Still having difficulty.
Yeah. If you don't have a shade tree mechanic with you, be prepared.
These clips come with the panels, and you gotta take out. Actually, there was nothing there except for a slot. So you gotta put these clips in so it'll accept one of the other bolts.
So Graham's putting on the third panel for the passenger side back door. Then we'll just have the driver's side back door to do, and we will have officially completed the installation of the rock sliders and 4 door panel inserts for the RZR. And we will be very happy. And one step closer to the trails. All right, the installation of the third panel is complete. And we're moving on to the last door, number 4. I dare say it's official. Oh, yes. Just gotta tighten the bolt up.
I'm gonna adjust them.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna lift everything up.
No big deal though, because he did it with the last one. But again, if you don't, you know, have all the tools of the trade, it's gonna take you a minute to figure it out.
Yeah.
Luckily, though, we took the time to make this video for you. Document our struggles.
Hopefully it helps.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. It's good. They're up a little bit because there's bolts coming up, so yeah, it's all good.
Nice.
Yep. It's a done deal.
Thankfully so. And it's not nighttime yet. Yes. Just so excited that we completed this project today. Tree sliders, door panels, 4-person. Oh, there's the boys. Hello.
Yeah.
Look at this beauty
Yeah, the jug, nothing blue.
with the 2 additions.
Yeah, I just got done. We put the rock rails on and the door inserts.
Yeah, it was a full afternoon project for us.
Learning experience. Yeah.
They don't really give you instructions and stuff.
Nope.
So,
And the bolts that they tell you to pull out and reuse are from China.
and they stripped.
First
They
2
stripped.
bolts trying to do the 2 front doors stripped right out of me. I had to drill them out. And I'm like, oh no, but I figured, you know what, we keep going. So
Yeah.
at least we got something done.
And we saw it through.
Yeah, at least
Now-
now it won't get covered in mud.
Yeah.
And we're ready for some trails.
And then it was all going through that hole and ending up in the back, the snow. So I figured the mud would do the same thing.
Well, until next
Yeah.
time,
Well, over and out.
enjoy the great outdoors. You know we will. And most importantly, Daisy's excited because she gets us back.
Taking me for a walk.
Yep. Her favorite thing to do. Three happy boys, and I'm happy too. We had a successful day as always. Love it.